Good evening, everyone. I am Bhumika, Marketing Manager of North India for Eton College. Today I'm hosting this webinar on behalf of Turning Point, where I would like to guide all the students interested to go to Canada about the programs that we offer at Eton College, as well as about our upcoming intakes, which is June and September intake. So Eton College is a college which was established in 2003, and it is a 16-year-old college today. Eton College is located in Vancouver downtown, which is one of the very lovely places in British Columbia. The campus is only 16 kilometers away from the International Airport of Vancouver, and there are about 97 hotels, restaurants, cafeterias around the campus. The temperature ranges of Vancouver during summer lies from 25 to 27 degrees centigrade, and during winters it is somewhat around 3 to minus 5 degrees centigrade in Vancouver. So the weather is quite lovely. Vancouver is quite warmer as compared to the other regions of Canada. Moving on, I'd like to talk about Vancouver as a city. So Vancouver is one of the most livable cities in the world in terms of the air quality, the food quality, as well as in terms of the water quality. So let us talk about the accreditations of Eton College. So Eton College has been ranked by EQA, that is Education Quality Assurance, which is one of the designations given to public and private institutions by the British Columbia government. To those institutions, those who meet or exceed the quality standards of education. So yes, Eton College has been ranked by EQA, and Eton College has also been ranked under Category 1 by the Ministry of British Columbia in terms of the support that we provide to the students and the quality of education that we provide to the students. Eton College is also a DLI approved institution. You can check for our DLI number on the canada.cic website. Moving on, talking about the programs that we offer at Eton College. So Eton College offers diploma programs, upon successful completion of which the students are eligible to transfer their credits to one of our partner institutions. Now, Capilano University, Vancouver Community College, as well as Royal Roads University are the partner institutions of Eton College, and the students are eligible to transfer their credits to one of these partner institutions after the completion of their programs. So we have Business Administration majors in Hospitality Management program, as well as Business Administration majors in Travel and Tourism Management programs, both of which are diplomas leading to degrees. For these particular programs, the student will be studying at Eton College for 2 years, and for the next 2 years he'll be taking institutions. Moving on, we have Hospitality and Tourism Management diploma, as well as Travel and Tourism and Flight Attendant Preparation diploma. For both of these programs, the student will be studying at Eton College for 1 year, and then he will be eligible to transfer his credits to one of our partner institutions for another year. The third category of program that we have at Eton College is called a co-op program. So we have Hospitality and Tourism Management Canadian Experience Co-op program, which is a 2-year program, for which the student will be studying in the classroom during first and third semester, and he will be getting to work in second and fourth semester, on the basis of which he will be getting an on-paper work experience from Canada. So yes, Eton College has these many options for the students when it comes to the hospitality and management programs, along with the flight attendant preparation programs. Now, I'd like to talk about the admission requirements of Eton College. So, Eton College accepts IELTS, PT and TOEFL, all the 3 English proficiency examination scores. For IELTS, we need 6 overall, not less than 5.5. For PTE, we require 54 overall, not less than 48 points. For TOEFL, we require 61 points overall. Moving to talk about the academic requirements. जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने ग्रेड 12 कंप्लीट किया है, 5% not less than 45 marks in any of these subjects, और जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने ग्रेड 12 की बजाय 10th स्टैंडर्ड के बाद डायरेक्टली डिप्लोमा किया है, we accept diplomas, but we only accept diplomas of either 2 years or 3 years. 1-year diploma is not acceptable at Eton College, and the score requirement for the diploma is again 55% overall, not less than 45 points in. So these are the admission requirements at Eton College in terms of the IELTS, PT and TOEFL scores, as well as the academic scores. Eton College accepts gap of up to 4 years, not more than that. Now, talking about the fee structure and the application fee. So 100 Canadian dollars is the application fee of Eton College. And the annual fee ranges from 13,200 Canadian dollars to 13,800 Canadian dollars, which is quite affordable given Vancouver downtown location. So these are our all related to the fees, and these are our fee structures. Now moving on to the very very basic point, which is why Eton College. Why should a student choose Eton College to study? So at Eton College, we offer each of the program with certain months of practicum, which is internship. So all of our programs at Eton College are internship based, so which is a very very great point. Moving on, we focus on the applied learning, we focus on the professional development of these students, and of course the overall development as well. Eton College has small classroom sizes. We do not accommodate more than 30 students in a class to maintain the student to teacher ratio. Also, we provide career preparation workshops at the college. We also invite industry guest speakers for guest lectures at Eton College. So these are some of the factors which make Eton College unique. Now, talking about the facts of tourism industry based in British Columbia. Now, according to the statistics, in 2018, British Columbia had over 21 million tourists, which is a huge number. And there are about 300,000 employment opportunities in British Columbia. Also, according to Canadian Encyclopedia.ca website, the air transportation industry is one of the largest service industry of Canada, not just British Columbia, but of the entire Canada. So if you follow these statistics, it is quite self-explanatory that how many number of opportunities of jobs we have in British Columbia itself. So at last, I would like to mention that yes, Eton College offers unique programs, all of which are internship based. You can find out more about our programs on our official website of Eton College. You can also follow us on YouTube and subscribe to our channel, and you can also have a look at what the infrastructure of the college looks like and what the professors and teachers look like. You can also follow us on our Facebook pages to stay updated with the events taking place at the college every now and then. Moreover, during this COVID-19 situation, all of these students are engaged in their their lecture sessions, which are being conducted online. So all of the classes are being conducted online at the moment during the whole COVID-19 situation at Eton College. So I request all these students interested to go to Canada, to Vancouver, and especially to Eton College to kindly share their documents with Turning Point. They will definitely contact you and guide you in the right way. And I wish you all the best. And thank you so much for having me for this webinar to Turning Point. Have a great day.